I've been here before. I've never seen the high tide this high before, but check this out. Nice, like, cool bench right here for people to sit on. Then you come over here. Let me just show you, like, what's kind of around. Ooh, nice butterfly that just flew by. It's a yellow one. Then you come over here. It's all water right there. Nice little flower. Already a bee on it, actually. And then look at this. I wasn't gonna go in. It looks like there's like too much mangrove saplings that are actually trying to root right there. But look at this.